Have you ever wondered if Dew Point is for you? Is it for ordinary South Africans or is it for professional people? Is it for business owners? Is it for only tech savvy people? Although Dew Point is available for everybody, it is not for everybody. I know it sounds like an oxymoron, but Dew Point is not about your background or your title. It is about what you are willing to do and how much you are willing to learn. It is for those people who are not scared to put in the hours, the time, the consistency, and the effort. So, if you are a South African, if you've got a smartphone, and if you've got at least an hour or two a day, and if you are very hungry to change your financial future, this might be worth exploring. What would your biggest question be regarding earning an extra income with Dew Point Online? Drop your thoughts and your questions in the comments.